I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to delete file and folder using PowerShell. So here, so first let's open the PowerShell, and currently this is the directory. Then I'm going to use the Sony directory. So let's copy this one, and thereafter here paste this one, and let's use the cd command. So directory that's changed there. Let's use CLS. Now, if I write there dir, this, or you can see this all files that's available there. Now, I'm going to delete this test.pb. So for this one, we need to use the remove command, remove. Then let's give your item, remove minus item. Then after this place, you need to specify the file. So let's give your test.pb. So then after using this command, let's use their dir. So this place you can see test.pb is not present there. Okay, so test.pb is not present there. After that, the next is here. Let's close, or thereafter let's use PowerShell. Open the PowerShell again. Now this place. So current directory is this one. Now I'm going to remove the files, insert the Sony, and this here test.csv file is there. So this file that's going to delete. So we need to use, so first let's paste this location. Then after here, going to use the remove minus item. In the double quote, you need to give the file. So previously I entered into the directory, this time I'm not. So by giving the location of the file, you can delete. So this here test.csv, let's delete there. So let's write test.csv because it does not exist. So test, okay, we need to give the correct name. So this time there is no any error message. Let's go on this. Not soft. Let's go in this Sony. And here test.csv file is no. Okay. So here you cannot see test.csv. Test file is there. So let's go and check the properties. This is the file. Not this one. We need to select this. Now right click, then go and check the property. So test.exe file is there. So to remove the exe file here, let's use test.exe. So exe file that's gone from the folder Sony. So here directly you can go into the location of the directory. After that you can remove, or directly give here remove item, then give the file path. So this is how we can remove the file. Let's use the cls command to remove. Here the screen. Now after that here, this is the Sony, and thereafter the next is here I'm going to delete the folder. So folder. So for folder we need to give here folder name. So this here Sony. So first here we need to also give remove, then minus item, remove item, then in the double quote. So subfolder that's going to remove. Inside the Sony here you can see the subfolder test. let's give your taste double quote, and now let's press enter. So let's check the taste that's deleted. And like this one here, Z1 is present there. Let's remove the Z. Okay, we need to check here what exactly. There is a small letter Z is there. So no, let's use, and here we need to give a small letter Z1. The the item C Z1 has a children and recursive parameter if you continue to remove or you still want to. So this is asking about to this is because of child item, so that this is asking this message. Let's write there Y. So then here after pressing Y, this Z1 that's gone. So then I'm going to delete the main directory. So main directory is there. So for this one, let's use there. So first going to paste this Sony location and here paste this one. Then after here let's use remove minus item. Remove item, then simply you need to give here Sony path press enter. So this item has children and recursive parameter. This has some or sub files is there. By pressing Y you can delete. So Sony that's or remove there. Okay. So this is how we can remove or delete the files from the folder and subfolder using PowerShell. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So I this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.